in New York, and it's for off-quote label use. Then that's code STAR.
It's a new year, and for businesses...
Yes, it starts with mostly cloudy but fairly dry conditions for the remainder of the afternoon. We might see a scattered shower here or there, but nothing very significant at this point. Tonight, mostly cloudy with a slight chance of some rain and fog at the coast and by the bay after about midnight. Overnight lows in the upper 40s. Tomorrow, patches of fog and a...
I love, the listeners I love. So
Sure.
My loyalty is...
Then in 100 days, President Trump turns the gavel back.
Of a black one after other blacks stole from him. He says the black...
Read of 2381 Rosecrans Avenue, Suite 328, Manhattan Beach, California, 90245. Consent is not a condition of purchasing goods.
We want to know you, and we want to make you know.
Everywhere.
Maria,
Wondering who is going to pay the...
It is gone. I was, somebody was saying, I don't know if you're aware, but I wrote a book on the 3 views of hell, and I treat them all as possible options. And one of the views that's been around forever in the early church was that hell is a place where people are given still other chances to repent and be saved. And that's a pretty unpopular view in some circles in